how to use the QUASIDB promo code on FXSSI. So first of all, you'd want to come to the FXSSI.com website, and you will need to sign in. I use Twitter, and you're probably aware that I'm QUASIDB on Twitter. So pricing, and what we want to do is enter promo code. Well, actually, before I say that, we do have a lifetime offer, so it's minus 65% discount, which is absolutely amazing. But if you were to put in caps that and then apply, you get a humongous saving on the lifetime, and this ends tomorrow on the 2nd of December. If you're unaware how amazing this website is, I do recommend you have a look at it today and take up this offer because it is fantastic. And if you use the QUASIDB, you get a humongous discount on top of the lifetime. So definitely something to think about. The MT4 products, you will need MetaTrader 4. It's exclusively for that terminal, but you get a hell of a lot of stuff for a lifetime fee. So you've got your stop loss clusters, you've got your order book. Order book is essentially to say where current buyers and sellers are and where the current orders are. So buy stops, sell limits. You can do so much stuff. It's ridiculous. Have a look here. There's so many indicators to accompany your trades. We look at the sentiment stuff in the QUASIDB, so it'd be sensible to come here. Current ratio, that's the static. That's what I call the static. And the ratios is the dynamic. So this is the movement across time. So this is the most powerful one, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. This is the most powerful indicator you could possibly get. Is the movement across time. It's the dumb herd moving and telling us their bias, showing us their hand. And so, well, obviously, since they're normally wrong, I would do the opposite. What I do, I'll use the average line and take away the others, but it's completely up to you what you want to do. But yeah, it is amazing. The profit ratio is also fantastic. The derivatives I use, open interest is very good as well. So have a think about it. The offer does run out tomorrow, which I assume is 12 p.m. Perhaps Eastern time. But yeah, get on board with this, and I highly recommend it. It's really, really good. And then don't forget your QUASIDB code to get the discount. So if you want something to accompany your trades and you're a technical trader and you want something sentiment as a confluence, then this is the best thing you could possibly ever buy. And so that's not an understatement. It is absolutely fantastic. If you can see where the retail have got their stops, and you know the direction, and you know that they're normally wrong with 80% accuracy, if you're already a technical trader, that's just an icing on the cake. So we're thinking about it. The deal does expire tomorrow, and yeah, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to answer questions anytime. In fact, I love helping people, so don't be afraid to message me. I quite enjoy it. And yeah, have a good day, and I'll speak to you later.